everyone, welcome back to another episode of The Easy's Life, The Easy's Kitchen, where we learn simple recipes that might take a while to cook. In today's episode, we'll be learning how to cook pasta. Let's start. This method of cooking can be applied to all pasta types. First, fill a pot with water to about half or 3/4 full. Now bring it up to a boil. When the water starts to bubble vigorously, add 1 to 2 big tablespoons of salt. I'm using fine or coarse salt. You can also use kosher salt or sea salt. Stir the salt until it fully dissolves in the water. Bring it back up to a boil. When the water starts boiling vigorously again, add in the pasta of your choice. Stir for a minute to prevent the pasta from clumping and sticking together. Then we're going to cook the pasta for 5 minutes. To tell if the pasta is al dente, we got to taste it. If the pasta is raw or undercooked, the texture will be hard and crunchy. If the pasta is overcooked, it will be soft and doughy in texture, and sometimes the pasta will have expanded. Al dente pasta, when you bite into it, it should be soft enough to bite through, but at the end there's a little bit of resistance. Once it's al dente, turn off the heat and immediately remove your pasta with a slotted spoon. If you're not eating the pasta right away, coat your pasta by drizzling olive oil and toasting it to prevent them from sticking to each other. Do not throw away your pasta water. Now, to finish making a pasta dish, depending on if you're finishing in a pan, like what I'm doing, remove your pasta just after it turns al dente. Then heat up your pasta sauce. Once the sauce starts to bubble, add in your cooked pasta. Add in about 1 to 2 ladlefuls of pasta water to help thin out the thick sauce. Now toss and stir the pasta to coat the sauce evenly, and you're done. Thanks for watching. Do check out how to make our addictive bolognese sauce here. If you found this tutorial useful, give us a like, share and subscribe to our channel. Click on the notification button to get updates on our latest videos. Bye!